Alka Girl to present a bouquet to our today's chief guest, Mrs. Saraswati Arya.
Gentlemen and my dear children, I extend a call. She was born in aesthetically enriched family who facilitated their girl child to study up to the highest academic level. She is MA in English, MA in Linguistics and PhD in English. She started her career as a lecturer and then she had been the principal in different schools of Delhi and Haryana for a long period of 30 years. For the last 2 years, she is working as DO in Delhi administration. She has written so many books, out of which Sanskrit Sudha with Saraswati Prakashan and English Grammar with Evergreen Publications are well recognized books. She was honored by Mahatma Hansraj Award while working with DAV Managing Committee, Chitragupta Road, Delhi. Also awarded with State Teachers Award by Chief Minister of Delhi in 2012. Apart from so many appreciation letters for excellent contribution in the field of education from Director of Education, GNCTD of Delhi and SCRT. She is happily married to Captain Ashok Arya, who worked as commercial pilot as well as airport manager at IGI Airport. She is a successful mother and she has two sons, both of them are also pilots. She is a loving mother-in-law. Her elder daughter-in-law has done doctorate in English. The younger one is also a pilot and happens to be the youngest woman pilot of Maharashtra. She is an affectionate grandmother of a 4-year granddaughter. It is undoubtedly an honor for us, ma'am, to have you as a chief guest of the Annual Day Celebrations 2014. I thank you, ma'am, for your presence. I also most warmly welcome Shri R.C. Munjalji, ex-regional director, DAV Institutions and managing director, Central Academy, and now chairman of Children Education Trust, New Jersey, USA. I welcome you, sir. I also most warmly welcome Shri R.S. Gargji, who is executive director of National Housing Bank. He believes in simple living and high thinking and always been a helping hand to the school by his kind guidance time to time. Thank you, sir, for your presence. I also most humbly welcome the principals of various schools, members of school managing committee, other invitees and dignitaries, the parents who have supported and cooperated us in all our ventures, and also the residents of the area. It is with their efforts and blessings that we could reach such heights in such a short span of time. On this momentous day, I remember those days of beginning full of struggle and strife. As you know that this school is the first English medium school affiliated by CBSE in the area. The resources meager and the task uphill, but commitment and zeal were in abundance. My dedicated colleagues worked and are still working untiringly. We have well-ventilated, furnished rooms, a big library with variety of more than 14,000 books catering to the needs and interest of students. Library management software has already been installed. Our library is fully computerized. We also have well-equipped science labs for physics, chemistry, biology, home science, geography, mathematics, computers, art and craft, etc. to nurture the scientific and artistic instincts amongst the students and to inculcate the habit of learning by doing. We have already started the e-learning classes with the help of audio-visual aids and projectors. The school has set an appreciable path for result in academics, scholastic, co-scholastic, curricular as well as co-curricular activities. Our class 10 students have shown excellent performance as usual. And 5 of them named Pallavi, Megha, Namrata, Ujjwal and Gaurav have scored CGPA 10 out of 10 in all the subjects. I repeat, 10 out of 10 CGPA in all the subjects. The school has granted fee concession to them in 11th and 12th as a reward. CBSE has started assessment of life skills of children with the help of PSA, that is Problem Solving Assessment System, which shows the overall growth of the personality of the children. I feel proud that all our students have given above average, that is more than 60 percentile, all the students. Here I would like to share marvelous percentile of some of our students, like Akash, he has got 99.2137, Bharti got 99.2136, Ritika 98.08, Tarun 98.08, Neha again 98.08, Rinku 96.15, Nitesh 96.15, Nancy again 96.15. They all are appearing in 12th board exams this year, and I hope again they'll bring laurels to the institution. students, Ravi Kumar. He has scored high rank in PMT and qualified for BDS, and he is trying for MBBS this year. Namrata of class 11th of our school has been awarded with a scholarship of rupees 10,000 by HDFC Bank. Our school has not limited its activities to academics only, but progress in the field of sports too is commendable and praiseworthy. Recently, we have held athletics meet and sports week at juniors as well as senior level. Each and every child had participated in at least one athletic event, and most of them are playing at least in one game. Now the students have started showing excellence in sports not only at district level but also at state, national and international level also. As you know, one of our children is selected in under 9 national team of badminton. Now he is playing abroad in under 14 team. One of our children, Ravi, is gold medalist in National Wrestling Championship held at Hyderabad. He is again going for National Championship to be held in Chennai. Tarun Bhaiya has participated in open wrestling and won a gold medal. Two of our children, Karanjeet and Sandeep, have qualified second round of SPAT, that is Sports and Physical Aptitude Test, held at Motilal Nehru Sports School, Rai, and now they have appeared in round 3 for scholarship. Our children have participated in National Karate Championship also, held at Kathmandu, Nepal. Ashish has won silver and Deepika bronze medal. Our children have won the CBSE Karate Championship by winning 5 medals, out of which 2 are gold, 1 silver and 2 bronze. The school has won Dodo Championship at Rohtak by winning 2 gold, 4 silver and 4 bronze medals. The school has bagged Inter-District Karate Championship held at ACR Rohtak also by winning 7 medals to their credit, 3 gold and 4 bronze. And Himanshu was declared the best player of the event. Apart from this, other co-curricular activities like painting competition, poem recitation, essay writing, debates and declamations, drama, quiz contest, Mehndi Sajao, Rangoli Banao competitions, eco club activities, tree plantation and maintenance, flower decoration, pot decoration, candle making and decoration, Rakhi making competitions. These are some of the activities organized in the year, time to time. Though we are giving the certificates and prizes at the time of competition itself, but some of them will be awarded today also. Educational tours and trips to historical monuments, science museum and other educational and amusement places are also organized from time to time. For aesthetical development and to inculcate moral values and love for Indian culture, besides aesthetical sermons, we help our children through classes of singing, dancing and instrumental music also. The theme of the cultural bonanza the school is presenting today is Atulya Bharat, Incredible India, which depicts the enriched cultural heritage, different religions, colorful variety of dresses, so many languages, numerous beautiful folk dances and classical traditional dances. In spite of all this variety, India is one, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Kutch to Imphal. And we are proud of being Indian. We have also worked regularly in the area of social services like planting trees, beautification and cleanliness of the environment, conservation of natural resources, anti-cracker movements and communal harmony processions. I am proud of being principal of such an institution where the members of LMC are real intellectuals, like Dr. MC Sharma, Director B.Ed IGNOU, Shri R.S. Munjalji, Director INSEF New Jersey, USA. We have the guidance of Dr. C.K. Saluja ji, member of governing body CBSE and a scholar of Sanskrit and Sanskar. we have been benefited by the advices of Dr. Kuldeep Agarwalji, Director Academics, Board of Education, Haryana, and nowadays on deputation in NIOS. I am thankful to Mrs. Saraswati Aryaji, Chief Guest of the Day, who has given valuable contribution in the development of the school as a nominee of CBSE in School Managing Committee. My sincerest thanks to all the office bearers of Shri Om Shiksha Evam Kalyan Samiti, Karol Bagh, the controlling body of the school. And last but not the least, the parents for extending their kind cooperation and support whenever required. I also thank my staff, both teaching and non-teaching, who are rigorously striving for the progress of the school. I offer my heartfelt gratitude to the worthy guests who have graced the occasion with their presence. I thank you all once again. Thank you.